all the luster, is it lost? Something happened to the passion that we had when we were young. Can we reset, take 3 steps back, and we'll be back again. Still be one ahead of where we've been. We just needed to be reminded. Jesus, you're my first love. Nothing should have gone before. Show me that you're not done with me yet. Pull me up from under. I've been treading far too low in muddy waters. I've exhausted every option, every place to put the blame, but I'm learning my diverting never changes anything. Can we reset, take 3 steps back, and we'll be back again. Still be one ahead of where we've been. We just needed to be reminded. Jesus, you're my first love. Nothing should have come before. Show me that you're not done with me yet. Pull me up from under. I've been treading far too low in muddy waters. Muddy waters. I was thinking that it might just be okay to say that I was wrong. I was thinking that I might just be afraid to call it what it was. God, I know that you give me grace, but I know if I'm gonna change, you gotta let me feel the weight. Jesus, you're my first love.